Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7X, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From settings, scroll down to storage, if I can actually find it. Alright, it's memory and storage. And then you want to click on your SD card and select format. Erase and format. Now, as you can see, it does give you a message right here. We're losing data, consider backing it up. Obviously, this process does remove everything that is on the card. And if there is anything that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it beforehand. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, click on erase and format. And we're done. So there we go. That was easy. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.